call upon Tan Sri M. KVS, former Minister Malaysia, to address the gathering, please. Request Mr. Logi Naidu to present Tan Sri M. KVS with a Ponade. Okay, he's on his way. We'd like to invite Dr. G. Vishwanathan, Chancellor, VIT University, Vellore, India, to kindly share his thoughts with us here. Request Logi Naidu, sir, to present him with a Ponade.
His Excellency, King of Zulu, the Vice President of Mauritius, His Excellency Vayabri, Dr. Sampath, the Indian High Commissioner, Indian Consul General, other dignitaries who are present here, my dear delegates. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் நாளைக்கு பேச போகிறேன், அதனால் இன்னைக்கு சம்பத் கூப்பிட்டுருக்காங்க. I wish to convey that among the 54 countries of Africa, South Africa is number one in economy, in education, and in development. Now, India and South Africa is coming together. Though it's a World Tamil Economic Conference, I find all the Indian community, people of Indian origin are here. And outside India, Durban is the largest city consisting of Indians and Tamilians. So in that way, we are all with Durban and South Africa, and I'm happy that the King has accepted our invitation to be here to inaugurate this conference. I would like to thank him. And this conference is going to be setting a history in the sense that we are first time coming to Africa. This continent is bound to grow. Like Asia, Africa is also growing. We have our models, Europe and US. We have to grow like them. Our per capita income also should go up, like the European countries and US. If all of us put our heads together, and also if we have good policies with the governments, we are bound to grow because Africa has so much mineral wealth and human resources. All resources are there. The youngest continent in the world is Africa. Their average is much lesser than all other continents. So they have all the advantages to grow, but it's not growing so fast because of the various reasons. That's why we say Africa is rich, but Africans are poor. It cannot be. It has to grow, and whatever possible, this organization will help the growth of South Africa and particularly Durban. Thank you very much.
I forgotten to inform one important message because of Dr. Viswanathan running a private university, very successful university, through himself and also many private universities in Tamil Nadu. We will provide 100 seats, engineering college seats, tuition free for African students for a special guest chair. The coordination will be made by Mr. Logi Naidu. Each university or each engineering college will provide one student tuition free. We will coordinate that. This is the information to go through public, through newspaper. I am taking this. Your Viswanathan should lead because he is the president of the All Engineering College Association in India. Thank you.